In this video, we will be replacing the rear courtesy dome lamp in this 2012 F-150. Through the rear door of the vehicle, we can locate that rear courtesy dome light. Currently, our dome light is non-operational in whatever setting that we have it on. And our first objective is to remove the lens plate. This is probably the most difficult aspect of this job. Now, if we take a close look at that lens cover, we can see 3 retaining tabs. And those 3 tabs will fit up into 3 slots in our housing. And each of those 3 slots will have a small plastic tab that connects up with our retaining clips. Once removed, that will give us access to our bulb. And I do like to double check my new bulbs with my old bulbs to make sure they are the same. This dome light calls for a bulb number 578. And we're going to install this with some cloth gloves so that we do not touch the glass of the bulb. And we can install that new bulb in place. And I am going to test this before I go any further. It looks like it's working, so we can proceed with installation of that trim plate. And to do that, we can just line up our 3 tabs and apply a little bit of gentle pressure to pop that back in place. And this repair is complete.